Show you how to get into the pigeon stretch. Through the pigeon stretch, we get to target those glute muscles, the adductors, and also the hamstrings. Sometimes lower back pain can come from tightness in the glutes, tightness in the hamstrings. So I'm going to focus now on targeting those muscles as well, not just hamstrings. So you get on all fours, you drive your knee underneath you, push the other back, and just bring in the foot of your right leg and slowly sit back. It's very important to keep straight back. See, I'm not arching, I'm not tucking my hips in, I'm staying straight, my arms are straight, neck aligned with my back, and I'm sitting. If you don't feel anything in this position, try to sit further down or bring your foot more in. Just hold this position for about 20-30 seconds. I would like, if you feel you're tighter, to hold it for longer. So remember, it doesn't need to be very painful, it needs to be feeling a bit uncomfortable. Good. Get on this position, swap legs, bring the other leg in and sit back. I'm already noticing that I'm not very tight in this glute. I'm more tighter on my right leg. Good. Come back. Good. And this was pigeon stretch. Let's go for the next one.